Is your lawn striped? Get an even spread with the EarthWay 2600A-Plus. Tired of uneven fertilizer application? We're diving deep into the EarthWay 2600A-Plus, a walk-behind broadcast spreader designed for a perfectly nourished lawn. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The EarthWay 2600A-Plus is a 40 lb capacity broadcast spreader. It's designed for homeowners and professionals alike. It aims to provide accurate and even distribution of fertilizer, seeds, and even salt. This spreader boasts a patented even spread, 3-hole drop shutoff system. This system distributes 50% of the material to each side. This ensures a feathered spreading edge, preventing those unsightly lawn stripes. The rust-proof polypropylene hopper can hold up to 40 pounds of material. This makes it suitable for small to medium-sized lawns. The powder-coated steel frame and solid T-handle provide durability. High-flotation 9-inch pneumatic tires glide across turf with ease. These tires also grip well in wintry conditions. This ensures consistent application regardless of the terrain. This spreader is proudly made in the USA. EarthWay emphasizes local manufacturing. This sets it apart from competitors who import components. The EarthWay 2600A-Plus has an average rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. You can find it on Amazon. One verified purchaser praised the even spread and easy maneuverability. Another user highlighted the poor assembly instructions. Some users felt the product was overpriced. EarthWay offers a range of spreaders, including handheld and drop models. The 25 lb nylon bag seeder spreader is available on Amazon. The 40 lb professional hand crank broadcast is also available on Amazon. Compared to the AgriFab 45 E0462 and Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard, the EarthWay offers a balance of capacity and features. It's made in the USA, unlike the other two. The EarthWay 2600A-Plus offers a durable, American-made option for even fertilizer distribution. While assembly and price are concerns, the even spread and maneuverability are definite pros. Ready to upgrade your lawn care? Check out the EarthWay 2600A-Plus on Amazon today. Read customer reviews and make an informed decision for your lawn's needs. Don't wait. Get that lush green lawn you've always wanted.